go here now. We going off. By this time we going at the edge of the forest. Gonna walk.
Kidnap and girls.
Gonna see what there is at the edge of the forest. Oh, not so sure what this is. I see that somewhere before. I've seen it somewhere before, but can't put my finger on what it is. I think flowers or some kind of. Oh.
You put your finger on what it is.
Nice. Look. Just as I was filming a while there. Put on the camera. Hold on, let me put on the floodlight. Yes, fish a floodlight there. We found this fella. Is there any moving stuff? Hold on, pull up on the beam, right? Very quick. This is a Trinidad ribbon coral. Find them at the side of the road here. Very colorful, you can't really miss it. See how you move and stuff. Look at it. Here the ball is going up on the road here. We don't want them to go up on the road. If all you don't know what's this, just watch one of our bounce up videos. So this is a Trinidad ribbon coffee snake. I believe Myceras the Titus. Not so sure. Look at him. Very, very colorful individual. And highly venomous snake, and the snake with the most venom, well, the most potent venom found in Trinidad. We have some from Tobago, and I believe there are small populations in South America, if I'm not mistaken. But right now he's moving under this reef, coming out somewhere around here. My foot and my knee right here. So yeah, as you can see, it currently make over this red light. See? It comes right next to the foot. Interesting. Okay. Lovely. We'll get some close up footage. And yeah, go back to exploring the side of this road here. Tell ya, this trip is good so far. Lovely, highly venomous. Don't do what I do. I'm not seeing at all. Oh yeah, looking like a female cascabel. Here's a cascabel. Yeah, you can't bring her no close to that. But he good up there. Huh? Yeah. Cascabels become so common. Tree boas, Trinidad tree boas. Yep. Move along. Look at this nice flower. This is a beautiful wildflower we found on the side of the road. Don't know what it is, but gonna get some pictures of it. Be gorgeous. We found a trail here and we're using it. Don't know where this trail leads to, but we'll go wherever the trail takes us.
Nice.
Shit, where you find it? Who's that one?
False
Ah. Ooh, that is real like kind of shit you like to be saying, right? A false girl, a fully grown. Ooh, like directly on it. I see nothing. Let me switch to the next camera. Look at this. A nice Oxybellus. Oxyphorus. Oxyrufus, alright. Oh, but false girl. Or forest flame. Calico snake. Look at that. It's a fully grown one, had no white stripes. Faint red stripes all over. Okay, awesome. You can see the faint red stripes. Nice. And that good sized. Yep. We heading back. Oh. Eyes inside of it, and if you threaten, sometimes it open up just like eyes. There is the peacock Katie did, or one of the many peacocks Katie did. You can't make it on the righty. I think it has to be. See that? That's not a hardy thing with me. We get a nice scorpion here. Well, I know they cut off all the light today. Yeah.
All light.
Bam! Look at that. Wonderful. You saw a scorpion earlier. Yeah, the next one. Just found this. The next coral. But this one like it just did. Beautiful.
I don't want to see. That's right. Like a coral snake.
Yeah.
It's that roadkill.
Oh God.
That just happened, you know.
Yeah.
Just happened.
This is the next one. Yeah. It's not so long. You could shift the lights or put it on. Yeah. This, as you can see, the little fangs there, the puny fangs. I feel his nerves still touching. The fangs at the top.
We had was facing that way.
That way. Yeah.
So you now come onto the road to go there.
Yeah. And then you like a car pass and dang him. What? Such a shame. Well, reaching back to camp day. Ooh, gonna see to start to make some food. Yeah, them. Well, one of them over there. And the next one going up later. So you don't see how it is the table here. Yes. A lot of wares thing. And yeah, we reach back at camp, our table with stuff as usual. So yeah, gonna see to make something to eat and then head to bed. Alright, so we done eat there. We tired, ready to go to sleep. Got we furnace, we stove. And that's about it. It was an amazing walk. We did see some things. So as you all know, I am the wildlife master. That's Shay. That's Bush Monster. It's dark. As you all know. Until next time, blessings and bless out.